numerous years of heritage research has uncovered evidence that Cebu and other islands in the Visayas were under the influence and control of the Sultanate of Sulu before the Spaniards came. One important advisor of Cebu chief Raha Humabon was a Muslim. So today, we present to you the flavors of Sulu that could have been appreciated by the Cebuano Palate. We show you how to prepare an authentic Tausug dish, that palm grass named in honor of a Moro warrior, Pyanggang ni Kamlun, one of our Moro hero dishes. The use of turmeric in our Cebuano cuisine speaks of how Indian and Arab influences have entered into the Cebuano palate through the Sulu trade routes and influence. Another important ingredient of this dish is the coconut. So we know that coconuts are endemic in the Philippines, in our islands, and the coconut has antiviral, antimicrobial, and other medicinal properties. Other spices used in this dish are ginger, lemongrass, garlic, onions, chili peppers, that all make the dish tasty and healthy because of their medicinal properties. We showcase to you the preparation of this authentic Sulu dish, Pyanggang ni Kamlun.